Ang ating hinarvest from our mini garden, ang ating Baguio beans, and of course, the chicharo, at ang celery. Oh, celery dahil tayo magpapansit for today. I was planning about 3 days ago. Pero ngayon na ako nagka-time, so let's cooking now. And yes, here are the ingredients. Let's cooking. Garlic, salt, celery, and of course, the onion. Follow the onion, guys. We cooking pancit. So we can add now, I think we can add and chicken. Chicken is shredded. We can add pepper. The patis. This sauce. And then we can add some carrots. Of course, the Baguio beans. Set aside half. I already soaked these noodles, so it should be okay. As well add the black sauce. So a little bit. Yep. Just now we can add the other ingredient. Our here is the chicharo, or call it a sweet peas. And then we can just mix again. My celery here. Celery is from my little garden. That's it. And the pancit, it's the pancit is ready. Sorry. Masasawa na. Tuesday o Thursday. Sa may fish pork dyan, di ba?